Hey there, my name is Yana and I'm an integrated media production major. Now, as a production student, I'm involved with a lot of production stuff throughout my week, such as WOUB Public Media, which is a television network that broadcasts news, sports, weather in 40 or over 40 counties here in Ohio. And I'm also involved in AUW Studios, which is a student-run film company, and as well as Thread Magazine, which is the biggest fashion magazine we have here on campus. Majority of my time, I use cameras for like shooting outside or editing in post-production. But on days like this, I'm an on-screen talent.